All right, here's a good question. So it's just a regular linear equation, but it has decimals in it. So you could just solve it in, like, I'll rewrite the question. So you could subtract 17.2 here, subtract 17.2, whoops, over there. So you get negative 5.4x is equal to, what would that be? It would be negative 21, negative 22 point something, and then divide each side by negative 5.4. But when you divide these, you're going to get 4 point, I think, something or other, and it'll be a decimal. And typically in the case, if they give you decimals, you sort of have to give them decimals in the end. However, there are some times where you could get an exact answer with this, and so what you're doing there is perfect. So if you times everything by 100 on both sides, it gets rid of the decimal and gives you integers. And when you get down to this point, the two minuses cancel, perfect. But to get from here to here, how to simplify that, what you want to do is take out factors of 1. Or in other words, you're dividing both top and bottom by the same thing. In this case, I think there's some funky numbers that'll go, but let's maybe first divide everything by 2, see what happens there. So I'd get 1107 on the top, and I'd get 270 on the bottom. And that's what I'm saying by a factor of 1. 2 over 2 is 1. I don't know, 9 probably will go into both of these. Let's divide both by 9. So on the bottom I'd get 30. On the top I'd get 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that works. Okay, what else would go into there? I have to get down to 10. Maybe 3? Let's divide both top and bottom by 3. So on the bottom it'd be 10. On the top, 3 into that is 41. Oh, and that's what they've got. So that's how they can simplify a question. When you start with a big fraction, go down to the bottom. And you can simplify it in a number of ways. If you could see, and I couldn't, but if you could see that you could divide both top and bottom by 54, then you could try it. I'll get 10 on the bottom, and when you divide those top two on the calculator, I think you'll get 41. So you could do it in one step, but there's not too many of us that could think of the 54 dividing top and bottom by 54. So breaking it down like I did there, that works too. All right, hopefully that helps you discover the magic from here to there.